Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is the most important lecture. I'm going to talk about the difference between the Varna system and caste system. This is a hot topic and people are making a discrimination on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the birth. What does Lord Krishna say about birth, about the caste, about the Varna? Lord Krishna had created Varna system but not created caste system. Caste system jati or jati system actually created by human being, not by Lord Krishna. So actual difference between the varna and caste I'm going to tell. Here literally varna means the color and originates from the word vri, means the choice of one occupation. Vri, varna means vri, actually originated from the vri word, VRI, which does means the choice of the one's occupation on the basis of the occupation. Hence the varna is concerned with the one's color or occupation. And varnas are only four in the number: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. These all the varnas. And it is an all India phenomena. It's all India phenomena. And hierarchical patterns of varna shows the concept of the purity and pollution as a basis of the division of the society and placement of the groups into the higher and lower classes. Varna class correlation is the mostly positive. Varna is always mostly positive. Varna system. And as regarded the mobility pattern, Varna are relatively flexible and compared with a caste and with acquisitions of the talent and virtues. Acquisition of the talent. If here Varna system, I can be part of any kind of Varna. If I born in some lower caste, then I can be part of upper caste, upper Varna. So it doesn't mean it depend upon my occupation, my talent, about my acquiring power, about my virtues, about my gunas, my qualities. An individual may improve upon his previous status and vice versa. Individual can may improve on the basis of the karma, on the basis of the occupation. Individual can improve, but the particular caste system, which is actually totally depend upon the birth, the particular person. However, he has a too much talent, he has a good quality, but the particular person can't improve his caste system, his caste. So Varna, you can improve your Varna, but you can't improve your caste. So Varna may be described as an abstract classification of the people of mythical origin, and the religious explanation of the Varna system is derived from the Purush Sukta and Rig Veda hymn, which describe the creation of the priest, Brahmin, warrior, Kshatriya, trader, Vaishya and many other Sudras from the mouth, arm and thigh and feet of the creator respectively. Actually each and every organ of Lord Sri Hari, Vishnu or Brahma are is equally important. If someone has took a birth from mouth, if someone who has took a birth from the leg, both are equally important, because even the dust, small amount of the dust of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu is very important, equally important. And Varna system is free from the social, economic and political disabilities as well as the restrictions. Social, economical and political disability as well as the restriction. The caste are when we talk about the caste or jati originate from the root word jana, which implies taking birth, in which caste, which community you took a birth. Thus the caste is concerned with a birth, but varna is concerned with occupation, and at the same time caste is concerned with a bird. And castes are very large in number. Castes also have a many subdivision known as a subcaste, and there are regional variation mostly based on the linguistic differences, and the caste class correlation is always positive, but there may be variation in the placement due to the economical, political and social educational status of the group. Caste is based on the rigid principle, and mobility in the ladder is checked. It is based on a closed type of stratification. The caste by contrast, is a concrete grouping based on the ritualistic and occupational criteria. The caste system imposes many restrictions on the member. So this is a caste system. And when we talk about, even Lord Krishna stated about caste system and Varna system. Here Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govardhana, here directly stated to all of us. Here Krishna stated, Chaturvarna Maya Srushta Guna Karma Vibhagasya, verse number 13, chapter number 4, transcendental knowledge of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, verse number 13. Verse number 13, chapter number 4 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind. Here stated, Chaturvarna Maya Srushta Guna Karma Vibhagasya. Chaturvarna Maya Srushta Guna Karma Vibhagasya. Tasya Karta Api. Ma Vidya Karta Avyam. Ma Vidya Karta Avyam. Here Krishna stated, according to the three mode of material nature, according to Rajas, Tamas and Sattva Gunas, the work associated with them, with the work associated with the people, the four division of the human society which I have created, the four division of the human society are created by Lord Krishna, here stated by me. And although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am at the non-dear, being unchangeable. I am not dear of anything and I am unchangeable. Na ma karma lipanti, na me karma phalas poha, iti ma yo bijanati karma nibasa pandate. There is a no karma which bound to Lord Krishna. There Lord Krishna stated about himself. When I talk about chapter number 9, verse number 32, verse number 27, here Krishna directly stated to all of us. Here Krishna stated verse number 29, chapter number 9, verse number 29, chapter number 9. Here Krishna stated, Samoham sarva bhutesu nami dvesanti nami priyaha yo bhajanti to mama bhaktani mahite tesu chapya. Here Krishna stated, Samoham sarva bhutesu nami dvesanti nami priyaha. I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. Lord Krishna here clearly stated, I am equal to all. I am neither partial with anyone nor envy with anyone. And who render services unto me in a devotion is a friend among all. That particular person is very dear to me. Lord Krishna further stated, Mahi Partha Vipastita E Prusu Papa Yonah Striya Vaishya Tata Sudraha Tepi Yanti Paramagatiha Here Krishna is not making any kind of discrimination. Krishna here stated, the person who has taken a shelter in me, the particular person, particular devotee who has taken a shelter in me, that particular person, particular devotee, whoever, whether lower birth, whether woman, whether Vaishya, whether Sudra, that particular person can attain the supreme destination. I am not going to make any kind of discrimination. The particular person जो दुनिया को छोड़ के मुझे चुनते हैं ना, उसके लिए मैं हमेशा भेद रखता हूँ. This is what Lord Krishna stated. So the particular person who has chosen me instead of this entire material world, that particular person, particular devotee is very dear to me. That particular devotee is very partial to me. That particular person is very special for me. This is what Lord Krishna stated. O son of Pritha, those who has taken a shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, Vaishya, woman and Sudras, can attain the supreme destination. That particular devotees will surely get a supreme destination. Even Lord Krishna further stated, Lord Krishna here stated in a general manner, here Krishna stated, Sarva dharman paritejante mame ekam saranam vajraha aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasami masulaha. Here Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Govardhana, Kesava, Janardana. Here stated, abandon all the religious practices and just surrender unto me. I shall give you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. I will give you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So you don't have to fear. It's not the arrogance of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna here clearly stated to Arjuna, forget everything, just surrender to me and totally keep a faith on me. I promise you that I will give you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So this is what Lord Krishna stated. So why we are fighting segregation of the caste? Because of the caste system we are fighting with each other. Not because of Varna system. Varna system is somehow totally different from caste system. Varna system, the base of the Varna system is occupation or karma, but the base of the caste system is only and only on the basis of the birth. तो ब्राह्मण का बेटा ब्राह्मण बनेगा, क्षत्रिय का बेटा क्षत्रिय बनेगा, शूद्र का बेटा शूद्र बनेगा. But according to Varna system, anybody can be Brahmin, anybody can be Shudra, anybody can be Kshatriya on the basis of occupation, on the basis of the particular thing, on the basis of the particular qualities, on the basis of the particular acquired talent. The particular person can be anything. A particular person can change, or the particular person can improve his or her Varna. This is what I would have to say. The actual function of the caste system is continue the tradition and social organization of India. So this is what I actually totally disagree with it. Social organization, the caste system is not maintaining social organization. Actually, the Varna system is maintaining the social organization. To accommodate the multiple community by ensuring each of them monopoly of the specific means of the livelihood. So there is no monopoly. So anybody can obtain any kind of occupation. If I started to teach Srimad Bhagavad Gita, if I started to chant Vedic Hayam, then I can be Brahmin according to my karma. If I started to protect entire society from the evil nature or evil people, then I can be Kshatriya, because Kshatriya's main duty is to protect the society from the evil. The caste play a crucial role in the process of the socialization by teaching individual and culture and tradition value norms of their society. So I am totally disagree with this. Because of the caste system we are fighting with each other. There is a conflict in the society. There is a differences in the society. If there is a no unity in the society, there is a no dharma in the society. If we really want to make a dharmic or dharma based society, then we just have to remove the caste based system. We have to absorb. We have to follow the Varna based system rather than caste based system. Here Lord Krishna clearly stated, verse number 13, chapter number 4. Here Krishna stated, Chaturvarna maya srushtaha, Chaturvarna maya srushtaha, guna karma vivagasya. चतुर्वर्ण मया सृष्ट गुण कर्म विभागस्य तस्य कर्ता अपि अव्यकर्ता अव्ययमः. Krishna directly stated about the caste system is main cause for the fighting, for the societal difference, for the discrimination and for the arrogance. Because I have seen the people actually who took a birth in Kshatriya, who took a Brahmin, they would consider themselves as a superior, but the particular person, they are actually making a discrimination with the other community. Because however these people knew that actually Lord Krishna is situated into the heart of each and every living entity, but however they are making a discrimination. Why? Because of the particular arrogance, the particular superiority complex, and particular people, they would consider other people are inferior and they are only superior. The superior because of they took a birth on the head, on the mouth of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu. But this is not right thing. Each and every organ, each and every particle of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu equally important. However, the particular person took a birth from his mouth as well as from Lord Krishna's, Lord Vishnu's leg or feet. Both are equally important. Both people are equally important. Lord Krishna here directly stated, Samoham sarva bhuteshu nami dvesanti nami priyaha. I am equal to each and every living entity. I am neither envy nor partial with anyone. If Lord Krishna is not making any kind of discrimination on the basis of the varna, on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the birth, then who the hell we bloody are? Who the hell we bloody are to make a discrimination on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the religion? We just have to remove these kind of impurities from our society. We just have to remove these kind of malicious practices from our society, so by which we can make our India rather better than heaven. So this is what I would have to say. I have tried to make all of you understand about the caste system and Varna system. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe.